Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating where the privacy password lives on your device, so open Settings now and go straight to Privacy or Security. Once there, tap Passwords or Lock Screen and scan Options. Make sure you know the account email and any 2FA methods tied to it. You need a trusted phone or backup email at hand because verification often requires a code. Do not skip the recovery check. It speeds the next steps and avoids getting locked out unexpectedly. Once done with locating the password settings, you verify identity using a chosen recovery method. Select SMS, an authenticator app, or email code depending on what you prepared. Make sure to use a trusted device or any backup codes saved earlier, and check your email spam folder if a code seems missing. If security questions or biometrics appear, complete them carefully, because they unlock the option to view or reset the privacy password. After verification, you can set or enter the new privacy password. Type it slowly and use at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for strength. Once saved, make sure to confirm the change on linked devices and update your password manager so you don't lose access. Test by locking and unlocking the feature immediately. If you get blocked, retry the recovery flow, reboot the device, then attempt verification again. If that fails, contact official account support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.